Cage by back rope and racing Tabel. Jump squeak out of the gate. One bar will lifetime class at Yellow Art, then followed by Mobile. While Don Jaime is running in the tail of the field, passing the winning post. Tabel leads the pack, Balang, followed by Lifetime, moving up. Yellow Art class up on the outside, 5 lengths away Mobile. While Don Jaime still running in the tail of the field, out straight they travel. Tabel still leading the pack, followed by Lifetime. 2 lengths back now is Yellow Art and Class Akka. Into the back they travel. Tabel followed by Lifetime. It's Tabel leading by ahead. Lifetime on the outside. Yellow Art. Here comes Mobile and Class Akka. Down the half mile they travel. Lifetime from the outside leads by a nose, followed by Tabel. And 3 lengths back Mobile around the outside. Yellow Art moving up. Class Akka inside the last 600. Tabel and Lifetime fighting it out for the leader. Yellow Art, Class Akka. Lifetime now from the outside leads by flank, followed by Tabella. Yellow Art coming closer in third, and Class Akka. And towards a final turn, it's still Lifetime leads by Lankania, followed by Tabella. And Class Akka on the outside, Yellow Art. But still Lifetime swinging away now by some 3 lengths. Followed by Class Akka, Yellow Art on the outside, and Tabella. And finally it's Lifetime. Close, Tabel, Class Akka, Yellow Art, Mobile, and Don Jaime.
Mukhang 1, 2, 3, 5.
Right.
Pero close yun
Close
na
for
second.
second, correct.
Between 2 and 3.
Only the third choice.